Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for returning. I am going to jump right into it. Want to talk to you guys about the Millionaire Mailer. That's right, the Millionaire Mailer. Folks, it doesn't get much better than this. If you're not familiar with it, this is a way for you to get cash in your mailbox. All right, cash in your mailbox. How does that sound to you? It is simple, it is easy. Anybody can do it, from a grandmother on all the way down to a 10-year-old can put a flyer in the mail, in an envelope, send it out, get money back, etc., etc. And so I am just so excited about it. I love it. It's one of those programs that makes me smile. It makes me smile when I go to my mailbox and I see money. So I want to share with you all some payment proof, because I don't do it all the time because I'm busy. But I know that people want to see payment proof. Documentation beats conversation, and I want to show you guys some proof. Okay, so here it is. Came through for me, right? That's my name on it, right? I'm gonna open it. For all of you guys to see, right? So you can see that this is something that you can do. Hey, you're a single mom, you want some extra money, this is the way to go. You're a grandmother or grandfather, right? And you can't live off of Social Security, it's not enough, this is the way to go. If you're a college student and you're looking for some extra money to put in your pocket, this is the way to go. Okay, it's simple. It's not expensive, super expensive to get involved. And once you get involved, your name stays on your flyers forever. And this is the thing, as people join you, you got a team. So your name will go on their flyer as well. So I'm opening up. Your name will go on their flyer as well. And it's a beautiful thing. So I'm looking here, Millionaire Mailer, as you can see, Millionaire Mailer. All right. And this is from Lachey. Welcome to the team. Awesome. She is on the Millionaire Mailer, right? And so this came not from my efforts, but from one of my teammates who mailed this out. That's the beauty of this thing, guys. This didn't come from my effort, because I'm not on the number one spot. It came from somebody else's effort. How about that? So I am very grateful for Lachey's payment. Welcome to the team. I'm going to cover up her information because I don't want you all. But welcome to the team. Lachey. Appreciate you. And with that, guys, you see the payment proof. You know this works. Why not you? Why not now? I'm going to leave my link in the description, okay? It'll be in the description. You can print off the flyer from my link. Or if you want to speed it up and you want to PayPal me my money, you can do that too. I'll send you my PayPal link. So with that, folks, why not you? Why not now? If you found value in this, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it out. With that, you guys have a awesome rest of the day. Bye-bye.